Claim they got beef for what? Chasing the bag and such. Fuck with the gang and touch. Fuck with the gang and touch. I can't entertain it, bro.
Claim that you tough, you bluff. Say that it's up, it's up. Claim they got beef for what? These niggas mad at us. Chasing the bag and such. Fuck with the gang, get touched. You niggas lame as fuck. I can't entertain it, bruh. Claim that you tough, you bluff. Say that it's up, it's up. Claim they got beef for what? These niggas mad at us. Chasing the bag and such. Fuck with the gang, get touched. You niggas lame as fuck. I can't entertain it, bruh. You niggas lame as fuck, you mad at us, we chasing the bag and such. Fuck with the gang, get touched, you praying for luck. Your bitch been ready to fuck, take her down through. Now she get passed to the crew, Project Baby be the two. Never caught lacking, these niggas really be slacking. Beat the pussy Michael Jackson, all on they necks. They really mad cause I'm next. Breaking thumbs, counting checks, I'm never gon' flex. Hop on the beat, cause a wreck. Niggas foul, call a tech, I'm really the best. Strapped up like a vest, gotta die by respect. Fuck nigga move, whole crew coming through. Slap a nigga out of shoe.
What it do, man? June Bull. A lot of people know me, a lot of people don't. I travel city, state to state. You know what I'm saying? With my homies, you know what I'm saying, from my city. Huntsville, Alabama, 25C. You know what I'm saying? It's kind of like what we do every weekend, you know what I'm saying? I work at a rim shop in Huntsville, you know what I'm saying? But everybody I know, they know me because I always be in the streets traveling with cars, so I just want to show you, you know what I'm saying, like how it go down, you know what I'm saying? Cool wheel style, you know what I'm saying, on a smooth Sunday, man, you know what I'm saying? My boy Joshua, man, you know what I'm saying? Like, man, how you can't drive on the highway? Down the highway, 100 Alabama. We down here in Chattanooga, we down here in smash it. I'm talking about smash it. I seen what they had to offer, you know what I'm saying? We love Chattanooga, man. They always wide open arms, you know what I'm saying? But like I said, do what we do, man. We come down here and treat this shit like a diet. Hey, go. Like I said, I know y'all done seen what we done brought down here. Be looking for us to come to a city near you, I think next part show, homecoming in Huntsville. And then after that, we taking the whole city to Indianapolis, Midwest. So stay tuned for this, hit that like and subscribe, man. Cool, man. Y'all already know, we're gonna take it around us. around the South, man, with this pressure, man, because that's what we do, man. Y'all already know what it is.